Walang po kami. Wala po kami signal. Family view.
Tawag ako ng bida na hindi niya.
Yan na.
Eugene and Bea. Let's play round 3. Double points round dito. Top 6 answers are on the board. And here's your question. Alright, sa tanong na ito, pwedeng totoo, pwedeng fictional, pwedeng local, or pwedeng foreigner. No? Alright. Magbigay ng kilalang tao na may James sa kanyang full name. Eugene.
James Bond.
James Reid?
Tingin niyo ba nandiyan si James Reid? Survey says,
No.
Eugene, since top answer to our pass or play.
Late.
Yeah.
Ulam namin, no?
Alright, yes.
Habang nanonood sa Family View, gulay, talbos ng kalabasa.
Getting there. Oh, yeah.
Talbos ng kalabasa at sili.
Sana makalaro ka very, very soon. Alright, Des. Ito again, pwedeng fictional, pwedeng local, pwedeng foreigner. Magbigay ng kilalang tao na may James sa kanyang full name.
James Bond?
Yun.
Nandiyan po ba ang James Bond? Alright, James. Dina. Again, pwedeng real, fictional, local, foreign. Magbigay ng tao may kilalang James sa kanyang full name.
LeBron James.
Siyempre, si LeBron James, mawawala ba siya? Services? Isa. Pwedeng real, fictional, pwedeng foreign, pwedeng local, magbigay ng isang tao na may James sa pangalan.
James Yap. Yap. Wala. Bagal.
Bali, meron pa tayong two
James
choices.
Yap, James Yap.
Again, pwedeng real, fictional, local, foreign, tao na may James sa kanyang full name. Sino kaya?
James Yap. Dalawa na.
Yes, back to you one last.
James Yap.
Yan. Tagal mo. James Yap.
James Yap! Survey says,
Hmm.
yep. Yep, it's there. Yep, it's there. Dina, sino pa kaya?
James and the Giant Peach.
Children's book. Oh, yun. Hanip naman. Talaga, naalala pa niya yun. Survey says,
Wala. Tatay.
alright, two smashers. Okay, this is your chance to steal, Michelle. May pangalan na James. Pwedeng local, pwedeng foreign, pwedeng fictional, pwedeng totoo.
James Corden.
Yeah. Sino pa?
James Potter.
James Potter.
James?
Harry James Potter.
Oh, si Harry Potter, yun yung middle name niya.
I think so. I'm not so sure.
Tots, ano kaya?
Saint James.
Pwede totoo, fictional, local, foreign. Bigyan mo ko ng tao na may pangalan ng James sa kanyang phone.
Alam mo, dahil may experience dito si Tots na nakadalawang beses na siya, we'll go for St. James.
Alright,
St. James.
sana marinig ni St. James ang inyong panalangin. Nandiyan pa po si St. James. Eliza, aalamin natin mamaya yan.